trying to flip.
Yeah.
Send. Send. Hot ass metal. Jesus.
You good?
Yeah, this shit hot. Yeah, man.
Well, there we go.
All right.
We've got a bigger hole now.
All right, so
Gap is nothing. You ain't got to explain. Just let him watch. Up, up, right there. Make sure that's.
we're not explaining, we're just watching.
Just watching.
So no commentary.
If your hand starts getting hot, let me know.
Will do.
Ready?
Yep. Yep.
It's not closed. You gotta keep that shit closed.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're dealing with fire.
Up. Start getting hot. Let me know. Do not let it go. Do not let it go.
Wait, did you just?
Shh. Slowly let go to one below. All right, keep your hand on the one on top. Okay, now I'm gonna do the back.
This is like welding to another. Oh wait, no, this isn't welding. This is
It's called brazing.
Yeah, it's what you do for like circuit boards and stuff when you're trying to.
Not this big of a flame. Hey, you moving. Stop moving. That should hold it.
Can we say blown turbo?